Hello, my dear warriors. Meeru ella unnaru. Now, baundi kada. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hello, Pujita. Hello, Akhila. Hello, Endulal. Hello, Sheikh. Hello, Garmalidi. Hello, Pawan. Hello, Endulal. Hello, Meghna. Welcome, Sonalika. Hello, Inspire. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone, to the most awaited session. All the Telangana state and all the Andhra Pradesh students, welcome here to the most important session for all of you, apart from JEE Mains, and you guys were all waiting for it. So let's begin for the most important strategy, the most important books and resources, as well as how exactly you should prepare for your AP EAP-SAT exam or even the Telangana State EAMCET examination. So everybody ready? Nice to see all of you guys. This is Shreyas here, your physics master teacher who has been working very hard for all of you over the last few years on this channel, and even before in Vedantu I have been working for more than 10 years producing the best ranks, sending lots of students into IITs, sending lots of students abroad for further studies as well as for multinational jobs. And here I am for you, just besides you, always with you to make sure that you also crack each and every examination, be it JEE, be it BTech, be it your CET examination. So get set, go guys, and you can be my friend on my Instagram handle. That's my Captain_Shreyas Instagram out there. So guys, I would really want you guys to crack this exam using the approach and strategies which I have planned for you in this particular session. Welcome everyone. Nice to see all of you, and since you guys are posting so many lovely messages, I feel like bringing it on the screen. I'm very good. Love you too, bacha. Hello Akash. Hello everyone. Now, how many of you are from Telangana? How many of you are from Andhra Pradesh? Just please put it up in the chat box. If you are from Telangana, just put TS. If you are from Andhra, just put AP, guys. Love you all, and that's the reason why I'm here. And there are a lot of surprises for all of you after this session. You'll be like, my God, this is exactly what we wanted, and now I know we are going to rock it. Okay, a lot of Telangana students out there, few AP students also. Great, I have strategies for both of you. Whoa, that's crazy. That's crazy. Nice to see that. Okay, so let's get it going, guys. Now, first of all, I will start right from the basics so that everybody is clear about every bit of the exam. As time comes, I will make the necessary announcements. Let's say the dates are announced, or let's say the registration starts, how to fill the form, or how to do the college selection. Everything I will do it for you. Okay, so let's start from the basics. First of all, remember AP EAMCET examination, right? Earlier it used to be called this, but now the name has been changed to AP EAP-SAT, because that P is for pharmacy, not for medical. Now you know that there is common NEET examination throughout India for the medical seats. So now it's basically for engineering, agriculture, pharmacy kind of branches that you have the AP EAP-SAT exam for the Andhra Pradesh students. For the Telangana students, you have the standard EAMCET examination, guys. And you get admission into not just engineering, but also a lot of agriculture and pharmacy kind of branches as well. But I know most of you will be interested into engineering, so we'll be focusing more on the engineering side. All right. Now, having said that, the top-notch colleges, look at the fees. It's not very high, it's not very low. It's around this range, but look at the return that you get over here. The average placements ranges anywhere between, these are average packages, 5 lakhs to 10 lakh rupees. But the highest packages can go up to 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs. Now, you might be wondering, sir, is this average package actually enough? Because it seems okay. It's not very high, it's not very low. So, my advice to all the Telangana and Andhra students is that, see, if you get into IIT, NIT Warangal, or you get into IIIT Hyderabad, or you get into IIT Hyderabad, or you get into IIT Tirupati, something like that, very good. Please go ahead with that. But by chance, you are not able to get into top-notch NITs or top-notch IITs or BITs, okay, all the top colleges, then trust me, these colleges are good, and there are many good students who have gone into further studies maybe for MS in the United States or to Australia, or they have gone for some other kind of engineering in Europe, let's say mechanical. So there are students who go into top-notch colleges from here also. And Hyderabad, Bangalore being the closest cities for most of you, you get good placements if you take good branches, let's say in electronics, communication, computer science, IT fields. Then you have good companies coming to your college, and even when you get into these companies, you can build your career because you can make your jumps, you can climb up the ladder, and you can also probably go to foreign, or you can probably do your side-by-side studies for doing MTech in IIT. So all those possibilities are always there. Alright guys, so that is mainly about the colleges. Now let's talk about the exam pattern. Okay, let's talk about the exam pattern. Some of you are also from Karnataka. Nice, interesting. When will the mains exam be conducted? Most likely in April only, not before that. Okay, so some of you also have your preferred colleges in your mind. Sheikh Rashid, Raza Singh, I want to go to JNTUH. Interesting. So first of all, the examination will be of 160 questions. It is the same pattern both for Telangana as well as Andhra students. There is no negative marking, so you can mark all the questions. So there is no fear of losing marks. The paper will be in English, Urdu, but for EAMCET Telangana students, it is also available in Telugu language. Okay. The EAMCET will be conducted as a CBT. There is no offline mode, and it will be conducted only once in a year. So there are no 2 attempts. There could be shifts, but there is no 2 attempts for the examination. There is no weightage of the board or intermediate marks, at least for this year. That's what we know, because because of COVID pandemic, the exams used to get cancelled and all of that, or postponed. So they have not considered the board marks as of now. Okay. Now, most likely the dates of the intermediate second PU examinations will be in March. Okay. So that's your intermediate examination second year. Then after that, usually you get your notification for your EAMCET, EPSAT examinations roughly within a month, and you will see that the exam will be conducted somewhere between May and July. Now if you Google when the exam will be conducted, it will show July, because last year it was conducted somewhere around that time. But please understand, last year the situation was completely different. Schools have opened up almost as usual. Examinations have not been cancelled. COVID is no longer there. So there is very good chance that it will not happen in July. Take the date as May only. So many students are thinking that the exam will be in July, but my advice guys is that the exam should be assumed to be in May. So guys, how many months do you have from now? Just put it up in the chat box. How many months do you have? Yes, I'll be teaching EAMCET also. That is a surprise which is coming up for you. Hold on. How many months are there? Barely. If you count from now, December, January, February, March, you leave it. Don't count it because it is not a part, because board exams will be there. Then April, so 4 months, max to max 5 months. That too if you count May. 4 to 5. No, you don't count 6. Guys, you are counting it wrong. You are saying 6. 6 is not correct. It is actually 4 months, max to max 5. 5th month, that too I am counting May. If the exam happens in May, and then probably you will get that entire month. If it happens in beginning, then even less. If it happens in June, yeah, then you get that 5th month completely. So max to max 5 months, but you take it as 4. See, when you take it less, then you get that seriousness. You will work harder, guys. Everybody okay? Agree with me? Very good. Now, in this 4 months, what I want you to do, I will give you the strategy. See, you are wondering, you are getting tense, sir, what to do now in this 4 months? Please tell us, sir, intermediate 1, first year exam, first year syllabus, second year syllabus. How do I exactly manage both? Don't worry, I'll tell you that. Now, the pattern of the examination, maths has the highest number of questions, 80 questions, 80 marks. Physics 40, chemistry 40, total is 160. All questions have equal weightage, no negative marking whatsoever, both for AP as well as Telangana students. Now, a lot of students think, oh my God, sir, maths has highest weightage, so I should only prepare maths. Well, that is not correct. So only if you give maths, do you think you will get a good rank? I doubt so. And maybe the maths paper is difficult. So what will you do? If you just concentrate on maths and do not concentrate on other subjects, the paper is hard in maths, then you will lose out everything. The year gets wasted. So be very, very careful, guys. Yes, I'll be telling you Vamsi Rishi, I'll be telling you how to start your preparation. Don't worry. Okay, I am here. Just keep watching. Okay. Now, the cutoff marks. These cutoff marks are very low. See, for TS EAMCET, it is 45. But for other categories, it could be 40, 35. But for AP EAMCET, there is only a cutoff of 40. For other category students, there is no minimum cutoff or eligibility. So only for Telangana students, you have 45 as the minimum score to be eligible for any admission. Okay, but for AP, it is 40. Other categories, it is different. In Andhra Pradesh, there is no minimum score for other categories. That's another thing which you should note. Usually, I hope that you will be clearing these cutoffs so that you are eligible. Now, how much rank do you usually can expect for any marks? So first, let's talk about Telangana. Lot of students from Telangana out here. Okay, below 2 rank, Pujita, let's see guys. See first, over here, 1 to 50 rank, you should get almost 160 marks to 155 marks. So the competition is fierce. Till 1000 rank, if you want to get, you should get above 130 marks. Understood? This is in Telangana. Above 130 marks, you can expect to get 1000 rank in your TS EAMCET exam. If you want below 10,000, your marks should be above 90. Above 90. Then later on comes your other ranks, but these ranks you do not expect very good colleges, very good branches and all of that. So usually in this 4,000, 2,000 range only you can expect some good colleges and good branches. Beyond this, it starts becoming bad. Okay, so then you have to think about dropping, or you have to think about giving the exam another time, or probably looking for other alternatives like VIT or SRM or Manipal or BATES. All those kind of examinations you have to keep thinking. Apart from that, you will be generally safe if you are below 2000 rank. Is that clear? This is for Telangana. If you talk about AP EAMCET, they used to consider the board marks and they used to give a combined score. So the combined score above 90 used to give 100, above 80 used to give below 1000 below 1000 rank. But if you do not consider the board marks, then out of 160 you should score 150 to get 1000 rank. And the competition you can see in Andhra is little bit fierce because the papers are relatively easy, or you can say people score higher in this particular examination. So the competition here is very, very bad, you can say, because the board marks are also counted. If you do not count that, this is the rank that you can expect for these many marks. Okay, is that much clear? So look at this, till 2000 rank if you want, above 130 you should score. So usually you can say 130 is like that bare minimum score you should get. Close to 130. Is everybody getting that in your head? Thank you for all the love from Telangana, bacha. Thank you, Garu. Thank you, Rajesh Garu, so much. Okay, don't be stressed. Don't be stressed. Shreyas Sir is here. Captain Sir is here. Okay. Now, how many marks do you think you should get? How many questions do you think you should do for getting 1000 rank? So if you want to get 1000 rank, what should be your score? I just told you. It should be close to 130. That means you should give 130 questions. 130 marks, 130 questions. Around that, you will be generally safe. Now, to get 130 questions right, how much time do you think you will have? How much time do you think you will have? It's a 3-hour paper. It's a 3-hour paper. So per question, roughly, how much time do you get? 1 minute, 25 seconds. Everybody? Everybody? Correct? So 1 minute, 25 seconds, max to max, on an average you can give for all the questions to get below 1000 rank, that is above 130 marks or 130 questions. The story is little bit more tougher in case of AP EAP SAT examination. For 1000 rank, approximately 150 questions you have to solve, or even you can take it for EAMCET Telangana examination. If you want to score above 150, that's very good rank. That means you will almost get anything and everything in whichever college you desire. Then for that, you will have to give a time of roughly 1 minute 10 seconds on an average. 1 minute 10 seconds. That's what you need to give and plan. So it's not 1 minute, it's slightly more than 1 minute, 10 seconds, 1 minute, 25 seconds. That's the range you should target. So when you give mock tests, when you practice questions in the end, you should bring your time on an average to this time. If you're not getting that, you have to improve your calculation speeds. You have to practice variety of questions, all pattern questions. Okay. Now, thus strategy is clear. What is the strategy for scoring 1000 marks, or sorry, 1000 rank? That means the top score above 130 or 150, right? Now, how do we get there? How do we achieve that speed? I am coming to that. Let me tell you the difficulty level. Let me tell you the difficulty level. See, in AP, you will see physics is moderate to tough. Chemistry was the easiest to moderate. Mathematics is also moderate to tough. So usually physics and maths have been tough in the past few years. It's the chemistry exam which was on the easier side. So it's easy to score here. Here you will have to make a tough choice between maths and physics. But again, there are many questions of maths. There are exactly half questions of physics. So in the examination, you might feel like doing more of maths. But if you are getting stuck, it's better to switch over to physics and then compensate those marks which you are not getting. Remember, for every 1 minute you waste, you are losing out on one question. So every minute you waste, you are losing out on one question, because average time is 1 minute 10 seconds to 1 minute 25 seconds, which you need to give. I am pretty clear about that. If you look at the difficulty level subject wise, this is how it looks. Look at this. In chemistry, I have not put difficulty because it depends which is your favorite subpart in chemistry. So there is no point putting that thing over here. You will see a lot of physical chemistry comes, a lot of inorganic comes. So if you do physical and inorganic, you are almost done 70% of the chemistry syllabus. Look at this. Only inorganic and physical, if you do, you are almost close to 70% of the chemistry syllabus. The remaining is organic, 20%. A very small portion is biomolecules and polymers. So even if you skip this, you have almost covered 90% of the syllabus in chemistry. If you look at physics or maths, let's talk about maths first. So most of the questions are easy. See, 45% is easy. Only a very small portion, 5%, max to max 10% is difficult. Moderate number of questions is 50. Now these are the questions where people generally also get stuck. See, leave this 5%. It's okay. Let's say even if you don't do it, okay, these questions you should not get stuck. If you leave the difficult questions also, it's okay, guys. It's hardly 5%. Same story in physics. You can see hardly 5% questions are difficult, 45% are easy, 50% is moderate. So guys, if you leave 5% of the questions, you will lose 5% of the marks, right? Even if you lose 5% of the marks, will you be below 1000 rank? Yes or no? Tell me guys. Tell me guys. Will you be below 1000 rank? Yes or no? If you leave 5% of the questions, if you lose 5% of the marks, even if you attempt moderate and easy questions, yes or no? Easily? Okay. Even in moderate, let's say you leave 5% of the questions. Even in moderate, you leave 5% of the questions. So totally 10% questions you leave. Physics, chemistry, maths. Physics, chemistry, maths, you leave 10% of the questions. That means totally out of 160, you are leaving 16 questions. That means you are getting 144. Let's say 4 more questions went wrong. 4 more questions went wrong. So 140 questions. So out of 160, 16 questions you did not do. 10% you do not solve. 4 questions went wrong. You still have a buffer of 10 questions more. You can easily get below 1000 rank. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Now, what are you going to prepare for? Are you going to always prepare for the toughest part? See, that is wrong. If you are already at good level, no, then prepare for the toughest part. But if you are not confident, you are still getting up, you are still not confident about 11th, or you have forgotten 11th, or you are just catching up, you are finding it hard to manage school, coaching, everything, then at least try for the moderate marks. That will give you 1000 rank, na? Below 1000 rank, na? That is enough, na? Yes? Yes? So that is enough. So that's how you should target and practice. So whenever you give a mock test, it's okay. make it in your mind, block it in your mind. Okay, difficult questions, it's okay. I'm only going to concentrate on easy and moderate questions. My target is to get 140 questions correct at least. So when that is set in your mind, 100% you will do well. If you're loving this strategy, go ahead, smash the like button, guys. If you're not yet smash the like button, what are you guys doing? Go ahead, smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button to the channel, because a lot of EAMCET classes are going to come up. I don't want you to miss those classes. The high weightage topics, algebra in maths, calculus in maths again, and coordinate. High weightage, guys. You just want below 10,000 rank. Vamsi, why are you aiming for 10,000 rank? Garu, I will give you below 1,000 rank. I will give you below 1,000 rank. 10,000 is too big. I'm telling you, you can get below 1,000 rank in your EAMCET examination. You just study the way I'm telling you. How many long terms we can take in entrance examination? I'm not sure about that. Yes, but let me tell you, it is possible. Okay. So chemistry 5%, chemical bonding solutions 5%, chemistry in everyday life 4%, thermodynamics 4%. So these are high weightage topics. If you look in physics, thermodynamics here is there, also here. So if you are doing thermo, please do it in both. It's going to fetch you marks in both chemistry and physics. Waves, oscillation, gravity, EM, electromagnetic induction 6%, units and dimensions, current, electromagnetic waves again over here. I think it was, yeah, this is EMI, this is electromagnetic waves, communication systems 5%. So these are high weightage, must do topics. If you have left any of these, then you have to do. How many of you have not done at least one of these? At least one of this, raise your hand. Yes, physics is tough, Gudla Parsanti. I'll tell you guys. Now, if you are wondering, sir, where to see all these lectures? Is there a way? I'm coming to the strategy now. See, let me tell you, all the lectures are available for JEE as well as CET examinations in this playlist. This playlist is very important, guys. 11th, first year and second year, both. Look at this. This is first year playlist. This is your second year playlist, 11th and 12th. So if you want to study physics from me, you have the entire playlist. Let's say you want to study 12th standard topics. View full playlist. You have everything, electrostatics, Gauss law, current, magnetism, EM waves, everything. Everything is there in this beautiful playlist. If you feel, no sir, I don't want detailed classes, I want one-shot classes. Okay, fine bacha, fine. I'll tell you where you will get one shot. You see this one-shot section. So select this, view full playlist. You will get all one-shots, 0 to hero, one-shots for all the chapters. That is also available for you. So you have both the options. You have both the options, yes or no? Okay, Sarita, Khan, Sankit Rana, Reddy, TR, VKR, okay, many of you, ABG Creations, many of you say that yes, you have one or more as a backlog or you have not covered. So first of all, do that. Okay, now which books you should study from? Which books you should study from? As Mansa says, sir, I don't even know the basics of physics. Can you help me reach 30 marks in physics? Yes, Mansa Bacha and others who say that, sir, my basics are not clear, sir, I don't know anything. Sir, I am hopeless, sir, in physics. I am zero, sir. I want to be hero like Mahesh Babu or Alu Arjun, right? So you want to be like a hero. You want to be like a heroine in physics. So first option, I already told you. You can watch this 0 to hero for quick grasp in one shot. But if you feel, sir, I want even more basics, even more fundamental, then go for these classes. Pathfinder, Nurture playlist. This playlist you should see, bacha. Yes, everybody wants to be like Mahesh Babu. Everybody wants to be like Alu Arjun. Hai na? Right? Excellent. Everybody wants. Who wants to be? Put up a emoji with glasses, guys. Or put some fire in the chat box. Just like, Pushpa says, I am the fire. Hai na? I will not give up. That's what he says, right? So you should also not give up. And I'm pretty sure you will feel that confidence when you watch this playlist. 100%. 100%, guys. Guarantee. Look at these. These are the books you should follow for physics. Concepts of physics, H.C. Verma, useful for JEE also, BitSat also, any CET exam. Very good. Look at that. The chat box has so many pushpas. So many people who are going to light it up. Excellent. Very good. Power star. Me too. Awesomeness. Yes. Okay. I will solve some EAMCET papers also for you. I will be doing that. I'll tell you my plan in a bit. Hold on. So these are the books you should follow. Even solve and even use NCERT and even use EAMCET Physics, Andhra and Telangana, Arihant experts. Use this book, guys. This is a special book for your EAMCET. Okay, this is the one which you should use for Arihant, for EAMCET. Other books are very, very common. JEE books you can use, DC Pandey and HC Verma and NCERT. For chemistry, obviously NCERT. For organic and inorganic, OP Tandon. For physical chemistry, RK Gupta. And previous year papers, chemistry collection by Arihant. So this Arihant Express, please buy it. Everybody, okay? Note it down. Arihant Express, I have to buy it for physics, chemistry, maths. All 3 subjects. Rest are JEE books. These are special organic, inorganic. Let's say you are weak in organic, buy OP Tandon. Don't buy inorganic if you are very strong at inorganic. Don't buy it. It's okay. Okay, if you are already good, why do you want to waste money? Okay, NCERT should be there or state board book should be there. Again, NCERT in maths, standard. Then you have EAMCET mathematics by again your you have objective mathematics volume 1 and 2 by R.D. Sharma and Arihant skills in mathematics. These 2 are special books for your mathematics, guys. So out of these 3 books, don't have to buy all the 3. You can buy 2 of them. That's okay. Any 2, whichever you feel like. If you have one, buy the other one. Okay, just have a look at it before you go and buy. So just browse through it, see which book you like the best. But all the books are good. Whatever I have put, don't buy anything else apart from this. Now the strategy. Sir, what are the tips? What are the tricks that I need to follow? First things first. Know your syllabus and collect all the material before you start. Material, I told you, this is for maths, this is for chemistry, this is for physics. Material done, done. Material done, done. Now syllabus. Where do you get to know the syllabus? The official website. In fact, I have made sure that when you click on this link now, when you click on this link, later on you will see, you will be directly going to the official website. So please go to the official website of your examination and download the syllabus. Don't study one thing more which is there than the syllabus. It is not of any use. That's the first thing you need to do. Where will you do this from? The official website. You will do this from your official website, guys. This you will do it from official website. Everybody clear? Preparation material, I have given it in the last slide. I have given it in the last slide for all of you. Excellent. Okay. Yes, Telugu academic books, are they enough? See, if you just do your state board books, it will not be enough. You have to practice questions, you have to see previous year papers. So if you just study state board books, it will not be enough. Who asked that? Sarita Thalla. No, it is not going to be enough. Next, the next important thing is the time management. Prepare a timetable. See, I'll tell you now the timetable. See, simple strategy, guys. From now on, follow this. Follow this. Right now, you can take this month as December. Okay. And then you have January. Then you have February. And then you have March. In the month of March, you have your board examination. Then you have your, April, and then you have your May. Now, what I want you to do in these months, observe carefully. February, obviously, you're going to focus on your board examination. That means 12th and board examination, obviously a lot. It's going to go there. Then right now, I want you guys to focus on your 11th and 12th. So 11th also you can do, 12th also you can do. In fact, you can do a little bit more of 11th also. It's okay. In January, it will be mainly your 12th standard examination or 12th complete syllabus. So here it becomes more of boards, little bit less of 12th, be it JEE or be it EAMCET or EPSAT examinations. This month, keep it exclusively for, mainly for your 12th syllabus. Be it EAMCET, EPSAT, JEE, BITSAT, all those kind of preparations, you will do it here. 11th and 12th, do it right now. In fact, you will do more of 11th over here. Here you will be doing more of boards. As soon as exam is done, switch to 11th. Switch to 11th. Do more of 11th first and then do 12th. In your May month, then you will do basically mock test, complete revision, formulas, practice. That is what you are going to do. This is the general schedule which you are going to follow. Everyone with me? Yep. So in Feb you have practicals. That's why I said boards. So it could be board practicals, it could be prelims, or anything that is related to your board examinations. Okay. Now for repeater, okay, some of your repeaters, you have extra month. So this month is there plus this is not there. So for repeaters, guys, what you can do, I'll just put it over here on the top. So this is only for repeaters. For repeaters, focus this month on 11th, focus this month for 11th and 12th. Okay. So here onwards, please use this entire period for 11th and 12th, both simultaneously. Please complete your 11th syllabus in December as much as possible. It might not be complete, maybe 30%, 40%. Remaining percentage you complete here. And here you start doing revision. Here onwards, April onwards, starts doing revision, mock test, etc. Because the exam can be in May. So if it is in May, you do not want this to happen here. So you start your revision early, mock test, everything. So this is only for repeaters. Understand that. Is that clear? Repeaters? Okay. Yes. So for droppers also I gave, bacha. Pujita, that was for droppers. Yes, Rajesh, for you too. Yeah. Okay. Yes, you can apply for JEE. Yep. Yep. Awesomeness. So this is also very clear. So you get that extra 1 month. Now, how much time you should spend? How much time you should spend? See, if you don't have school, example, don't have school, then obviously, okay, I'll just make a table like this. So let's say school, coaching, and let's say you are in 12th, or let's say you are dropper. Let's say you are dropper. Okay. See, look at this, guys. If for example, you do not have school, okay, you do not have school on one day, and let's say you do not even have coaching on some day, okay, you do not have school and you do not even have a coaching on that particular day, so your complete day is free. So that time you should at least study for 10 plus hours. You should study for 10 plus hours. Okay. Now for droppers, guys, you make it 11 plus hours. 11 plus hours you should study. Is that clear? The moment there is no school or no coaching, you should study for 10 hours. For droppers, so I'm giving you even more time. I'm telling you, you should be prepared because this is your next attempt. So you should be studying more, prepare harder. If you have school, but no coaching, guys, then at least bring it up to 5 hours plus. Bring it up to 5 hours plus. Okay, I hope this is clear. If there is no school on some day, but you have coaching is usually for less time. So I think you can bring it up to 7 plus hours. You can bring it up to 7 plus hours. And the day you have both the things, you can make it up to at least 3 plus hours. So at least 3 plus hours. Now for dropper, you never will have school. So that is ruled out. If you have coaching on some day, 3 to 4 hours, then you can make it to 7 plus hours of study. So divide your day accordingly. Don't waste your time in mobile, in any other random things, going out, doing time pass, watching movies, or just sleeping. And I would say sleep for 6 to 7 hours. On special days when you need to do more work, 5 hours is also okay. 5 hours of sleep is also okay. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear, everyone? Yes, you can balance between boards, NEET and EAMCET. Hello Kitty, remember when you study for NEET, you automatically prepare for EAMCET, at least 2 subjects, hai na? So if you are taking online, even better. If you are in online coaching, you are not traveling, bacha. You are not wasting time in the hostel. Many of you might be in different cities. Some of you might have come to Vijayawada. Some of you might have come to Hyderabad, Secunderabad, or some, Kurnool, whatever cities you have or towns you have come to for coaching. So if you have come there and if your surrounding is not good, your friends are not motivating, if your friends are trying to deviate you, please stay away from those friends. You should remind yourself what have you come here for in the hostel, or if you are studying from a village or a small town through online, please stay motivated by watching my videos or any other teacher whom you feel motivated by. Okay, and when you are studying online, you save a lot of time. So please make use of that time for studying, my dear students. Okay, great. So this is the basic timetable you need to follow. Now, another thing, do not leave any topic, because if you leave them now, it will be left. So that's why use December and January to complete all the backlogs. So when are you going to complete all of this, my dear students? When are you going to complete all of this? In the month of December, max to January. Do not leave anything which is important, which is high weightage, which is difficult. Finish it now. Watch my lectures. I have put up the playlist for you only. For you only I have put up the playlist. So please watch it, guys. Next important thing is mock test. How many of you know there are many mock tests available on the official website itself? Right? Number one. So where are you going to give these mock tests? Number one, these mock tests, some of them are available on the official website itself. Next thing, use your Arihant books. Use your Arihant previous year question. Also, you might have joined some coaching, demand from them, from the coaching, the mock test. Now, if you want me or your favorite teachers on the English channel to launch a special crash course, which includes mock test, which includes revision, which includes everything, classes, I want your comments in the comment box after the video ends. If you want a special crash course for these 4 months, just from us, with revision material, with mock test, with rank prediction, with counseling, dedicated with PYQs for sessions for all the topics, 11th, 12th, everything for AP and Telangana, I want your comments on the video after the video ends. Most important tip is accuracy and speed. Accuracy and speed, guys. Now this accuracy and speed only will help you, because you have just 1 minute, maximum 1.5 minutes for solving any question. So tables by heart, everything till 30, squares, cubes, cube roots, square roots, logs, everything, constants, formulas, 100 times you write. When you wake up, when you're sitting in the toilet also, take a paper and start scribbling. Formula for this, formula for that, value for this, table for this, everything. Don't leave 1 minute also at home or in between the classes, in free period, whatever time you get. Keep writing, calculating, mental calculations. Use techniques, whatever you want. Okay, do it. Every time you should be calculating, every time you should be writing. Oh, by the way, some of you are saying, ki, sir, please take classes. How many of you saw on the home page? I have already started, guys. I don't know how many of you saw this. Tomorrow, Wave Optics Class 12 EAMCET 2023. Yes, I am going to take all the important topics for you on YouTube. All the important topics. Mr. Silent and everyone. Guys, did you like this surprise? Did you like this surprise? Please smash the like button. Yes. So EAMCET is difficult, Pawan. I am here to make it very easy for you. Okay, you have other resources, but these are exclusive EAMCET questions. Go ahead, smash the like button. Yeah, this is the first lecture. At least in a week, I will try to take 1 to 2 classes. I'll try to take 1 to 2 classes for important topics. If you want everyday classes, trust me, I would want to. I would probably do it in a crash course with the help of other teachers, and it will be in English only. It will be in pure English for you guys. So if you want that to happen, you have to put a comment after the video ends. See, without that, it will not happen, dear students. Okay, so we will take regular classes if you want to. Okay, so the entire PDF will be available on the Telegram channel. And remember, anything that you want to ask, please ask in the comment section also. I'm pretty sure many of you might have cleared all your doubts by now. Okay, how I need to prepare, what rank, what marks, how much time, which books, what should be my calculation speed, what should be my initial strategy, by what time I should complete what, everything has been told in the video. But still, I know you will have some doubts. No problem, put it in the comments, guys. That's why I'm here, na? You want daily videos, so then please, guys, I would request you to put it in the comments. In the crash course, I will definitely try to do it. And here on the channel for you guys for free, I'll be taking all important chapters. I will be doing mock tests. I'll be doing strategy, more strategy videos, and part test, everything for EAMCET, Telangana and AP on this channel itself. But you want more? Yes, don't worry, please put it up. Okay, thank you very much. I'll be making videos. Yes, Mr. Siva, please upload regular classes. Yes, Unknown, in a week expect at least one class from physics, one class from chemistry, one class from maths on this channel. Okay, on this channel. So expect 3 videos at least on this channel. Yep. And which universities can you get if you write the exam? All the private and even the government colleges which are there in AP and Telangana, you will get it, bacha. Okay, daily mock test, I will come to it after a few topics. I'll come to mock test in a bit. Okay, I'll be coming to mock test also. Yes, you want mock test? Fine, I'll get mock test also. If you want next week, which mock test? Please let me know. You want only 12th, only 11th, or part mock test? That also we can do. We will do full syllabus after some time, but we can do part mock test, entire 12th syllabus also. Definitely. Okay, so that is what it is. So right now, let me tell you what about biology, creative bus. This is completely engineering channel now. So only physics, chemistry, maths will be done on the channel, because we have right now converted ourselves into a pure JEE English channel, which is meant for only JEE and engineering entrance examinations. Okay, but you will get physics and chemistry over here. Don't worry, bacha. Yes, you can continue Hello Kitty with NEET classes for physics and chemistry for sure. Yes, Guna, what is the meaning by mock test? Mock test means it is like a test, which is real test. It is like that test. It's like a mock. Mock means it is not actual. It is like a fake version of it. So you feel like you are doing an actual test. That is the mock test. Okay. On this channel, it will be free, bacha. Crash course will be paid, bacha, of course, because of the platform, the entire assignments, everything we will have to accumulate. We'll be putting a teacher for you. We have to pay the teacher. We have to make the material. We have to give the mock test, everything. So we'll be charging very nominal fees for the crash. Okay. So thank you very much, my dear students. It was lovely interacting with you. Let's rock the EAMCET, EPSAT 2023 examination. Okay. And please work hard. I'll be also coming over here every week for your EAMCET classes, and for more regular classes, you need to put the comments in the comment section below, okay, for the crash course. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a great time. Anything you want to ask, put it up down. Hasta la vista. This was Captain Shreyas, and I'm signing off.